Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Millionaire from Scratch. It's Apollo Wayne, and in this video we will talk about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and how you can create NFTs for free. Because I'm sure that you want to create NFTs because you saw the high prices that they are selling for, but you want to get on OpenSea, you start an account, but when you try to post an NFT, you saw that ginormous gas fee, which is absurd. That's why today I came with a solution, and the solution is here. Alright. So as you know, I don't like to spend money, but here's my NFT portfolio. Let's say, for the lack of better words. As you can see here, I have decentralized B token, the Delay King. I have the Pancha Klaus, a Cloudy Dream painting, was not made by me, but I own the rights to sell it, and a How Batman Are You High. Alright, this is stupid, and I believe that to have success in NFTs, you need to be high or a professional designer. So I don't know which one I am. Alright, we are not here to talk all this stuff. We are here to create NFTs and show you how to create NFTs. First of all, you have to create an account on Mintable, Mineable. I think it's Mineable. The site's URL is mintable.app. You have the link in the description. Alright. Once you're logged in, you'll have to go here, press on mint an item, and then create a new item. Here you won't have a transaction fee. If you want more advanced stuff, you can go with transactions fee, the traditional way, but we are going on the easy way, which is no transaction fees. So we are here to create a list for an item sell. We need a listing title. Alright, I need MetaMask first. Hold on. Alright guys, I'm back. I didn't add MetaMask on that browser because something weird happens. Now I'm on Chrome, the browser that I have MetaMask installed. So let's keep going. Here you'll have to select what kind of item you are making. So we are going to make in this video a collectible. We need a title, but now we don't even know what we are creating. That's why we need to open the most professional software to create NFTs, which is Microsoft Paint. Alright guys, we are here on Microsoft Paint. We need just to resize it a bit. Let's go with 1000 per 1000. Alright, it doesn't matter, we are already here. Let's do a background because this is how I feel now. I feel empowered to create an NFT that will sell for $1,000 or even more. Now let's go with white. Alright. Now let's go with the Bitcoin sign. Because we are Bitcoin millionaires here, billionaires, Bitcoinionaires. What the? Alright, it's nice right now. Okay, now let's draw the body. Another hand. Close. That was not on purpose. Alright, you don't have to think about these things. Alright, honest. Okay, now let's give you some clothing, shall we? Let's give him an orange. Now Alright, I think I'm gonna this. Yeah, that's all. Alright, this is our NFT. Now we have to save it. Alright, I just saved it. Now let's go back to our site. Alright, now the listing title. Let's set it Bitcoin Billionaire. Now the listing subtitle. Flex on your homies with this. Alright, now let's go and upload our NFT. Here it is. Let's put it again. So the first one is the file, the second one is the preview, and then we need to add a description. Alright, I'm gonna transfer the copyright when this is purchased, of course. So flex on your homies with your Bitcoin Billionaire NFT. That's it. Now let's do an auction. Let's do auction and buy now. Alright, so the auction length 7 days, starting price 0.99, buy now price. So if you really want to buy this, I'm gonna say it for $10,000. Alright, obviously nobody's going to buy it. Let's set it to 1,000. Now what you have to do is go and press list item, proceed. You will have to sign with MetaMask. I don't know if you can see this. No, you don't. You'll have to sign with MetaMask, which is a click, and here you have. This is your NFT. Alright, let's vote on this item because this item is great. What was that? Let's vote on this item because this item is great, so it's a must buy. See, 100% of the people agree with me. Here's the price, here's the description. All right. See how simple it is, and you have 50 free NFTs. After you create 50 NFTs, you will need to pay to create more on this platform, but I can imagine that if you are serious about this, you will be able to market your NFTs to get sales, and you'll be able to release more NFTs, you know what I mean? So obviously, if you are serious about this, you're not going to create a hype Batman NFT with stock footage, because this is stock footage, or a Pancha Claus. You're going to do something serious. Or you can get high and create something like this and you'll make money. I'm not saying that's 100% sure that you'll make money. This video is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an NFT, neither a crypto advisor. So don't take advice on this from me. I'm just here to have fun, and you can consider me a monkey on YouTube trying to make money. Alright, so how this NFT thing will help me achieve my goal of hitting $1 million in crypto. I'm going to sell NFTs to get capital to invest into crypto. Or I'm just going to hold the Ethereum, because as you can see, the delay king is again delaying the ETH 2.0, which means that I have some time to get Ethereum before the price will go up. If you want to join the 0 to 1 million challenge in crypto with me, make sure to subscribe, notifications bell on, and also like the video, because I'm sure that Elon Musk will appreciate it. And until the next time, remember one word: Dior. Do your own research. I'm Paul Wayne, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.